YouTube kids, if you're watching this, you better see what I'm about to do. I'm about to put on my own makeup. And my mom's holding the phone, and she's taking this video. So, hope you enjoy. Now what I do is I put on my makeup and then I'm done. Then I put more of my makeup on, then I'm done. And I am done. So YouTube, don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked this video, and give me a thumbs down if you did not. Hope you enjoyed it.